1b. But before starting this exercise, we are going to uh, discuss few properties. As we have discussed properties in for the first exercise, so in the same manner, these are properties for this exercise, but these will be for multiplication. In the previous exercise, we discussed about the addition, now the properties of multiplication. So first property is commutative closure property. So what is closure property? When we multiply two integers, we'll get integers. Like if I multiply 3 into 2, both are integers and their product will be integer. In like minus 3 into minus 1, both are integers, so result will be integer. And second property, commutative property. What is commutative property? Like 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3 means in commutative property, if we multiply two integers, their orders doesn't matter. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 2 into 3 is also equal to 6. So we can say that like x into y, if x and y are integers, this also will equal to y into x in this way. Third, uh, identity property. What is identity property? Identity property means when we multiply any number in an integer, that there will be no change. 3. So what would be that integer? So that number will be 1. So 1 is identity. Okay, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So it is known as a identity property, or it is also known as multiplicative identity. One is multiplicative identity. Okay, in this way. Now the fourth property, associative property. So what is associative property? Uh, like A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, like 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. So solve this. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and here will also come 6. Okay, so this is our associative property. Distributive property. Okay. One thing keep in mind is these properties are for multiplication. So distributive property for first thing is over addition. Okay, A into B plus C first, and then A into B minus C. So in both these cases, A will distribute with B plus C, and here A will distribute with B minus C. So here we can write like this: A into B. First A into B, then plus A into C, plus A into C. In the same way here, A into B minus A into C. So these are the properties. Take example first 3 into 2 plus 1. So we can write this equation like 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So solve this 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here 3 2 is 6 plus 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9, and here 6 plus 3 9. So in this way we will also solve this equation. So we have completed the properties. So these are very simple questions. Uh, but I am going to solve only the last part of this question. Okay. Only you have to multiply these numbers and be careful about the signs. Minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay. If I multiply 5 into 4, it will be 20 into, if I multiply 3 into 2, it will be 6 plus and minus 1 is minus 1. Multiply this 120 minus 120. This will be solution. So now the second question. Verify the following. Verify means we have to check if these two sides are equal or not. And first, 19 into 5 into 5 plus minus 2 is equal to 19 into 5 plus 19 into minus 2. Okay, so first solve this. I'll solve these two parts simultaneously. Okay, 19 into, open this bracket, plus minus minus 5 minus 2. Okay, and here now I am not going to put this sign. Okay, only write this 19 5 is 95. Okay, so remember all the tables till 20, uh, and this is plus minus, first take the bracket, plus 19 to the 30th and minus 38. Okay. Here will come 19 into 5 minus 2 3, and here 19 plus minus 38. 19 is a 57, and here subtract 15 minus 8 7, and 8 minus 3 5, 57. So these are equal. So this is true. Verify means equal sign is correct over here. Of the second question. First see this, minus 20 into minus 7 plus minus 11 is equal to minus 20 into minus 7 plus minus 20 into minus 11. So as we have solved in first question, so first solve this, and this also and check whether equality is true or not. Okay, try this question. Now moving to the question number third. Find the value of x in the x that makes the statement true. So we have to find the value of x. So first is 6 minus x is equal to minus 24. So minus x is equal to minus 24 upon 6 minus cancel x is equal to 4. So this is one method, and the another method is 6 minus x is equal to minus 24. Solve this. So this will be minus 6x and minus 24. Then minus divide by minus 6 in both. Minus 6x upon minus 6 is equal to minus 24 upon minus 6. So this will become x and this will become 4. So minus x minus x into minus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so 3x is equal to 12 divided by 3, x is equal to 12 by 3. So x is equal to 4. This false. Fourth question. True false. So first is the product of two integers is always greater than both the integers. First is false. Okay. Why? The product of two integers. Suppose I take two integers. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 6 is greater than 3 and 2 also. But if I take minus 3 into 2, this will become minus 6. So this is a smaller number. So in this case it is smaller, but in this case it is greater. So product, it is not necessary that product will always be greater than the integers. Second, the product of integers is commutative. Commutative means, I told you commutative means uh, commutative means 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3. So it is true. Why? It will always follow. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into minus 3. Here minus 6, here 6, minus 6. Okay, so this is true. Minus 1 is the multiplicative identity of integers. Minus 1 is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means after the multiplication there will be no change in the number. Like 3. Okay. If I multiply by minus 1 in this number, I'll get minus 3. So this and this are different. This is smaller, this is greater. So it is also false. So multiplicative identity is 1, not minus 1. Fourth part, a into b minus c is equal to a for all integers. A into b minus c is equal to a minus b minus a into c. This is distributive property. Okay. For all integers, a, b, c. Okay. These are the integers where b does not equal to 0. So this is also this is true. The successor of 0, 0 into minus 8. It is saying its successor is 1 into minus 8. It is true or false? It is false. Why? This is our number. Okay? If I solve this, I will get 0. So successor of 0 will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so not this number. This is minus 8. So this is our successor. Read the question. Divya has 60 rupees in her wallet. So first she has 60 rupees in her wallet. Then each day she takes out 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees each day. Um, what it is represents the change in the number of rupees in a wallet over 6 days. So uh, each day she takes out only 6. She will take out 5 rupees into 6 days. So 30 rupees. But these are decreasing. Okay. So this the sign will be minus. So change this minus 30. A in square B is equal to A into B plus B into B minus 2 into A into minus B. Okay, this condition is given. So, and it is asking what will be this minus 8 square minus 2. So in the same way, here is A is minus 8 and B is minus 2. Just put the value in the equation. A is minus 8 and B is minus 2 plus B into B means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. Minus 2, A is minus 8 and B is minus 2. So minus minus 2 because minus B is here. Here to the 16 plus minus minus plus 2 to the 4 minus 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 plus. Okay, and minus minus plus. So 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 plus 32. And solve this 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 32, 52. So this will be our answer.